Catched you out.
Right. Hi, I'm Rosh Kallan. I work in Portland as a car practitioner. So, yeah, I've been working here for 4 years, and before that, I used to work in retail, um, and also work on the doors as a doorman as well. So it was like a career change, but it's always like I've always been a caring person, so it was easy for me when I came here because that's all we do in here. We care for people, we look after them, yeah, we enrich their lives. Yeah, just because they've got mental illness doesn't mean that they have to be stuck in the four walls of a room. We make their lives much more simpler and easier for them, more entertaining, and yeah, try our best to bring smiles in their faces. Provides all kinds of trainings, and they do refresher courses like every year so that you're not lagging behind. You know what I mean? Yeah, it makes you more confident, and like while you're on the job, you're learning different things every day. We start at 7:30 in the morning, and we get them up, personal hygiene, shower, shave, everything, make them look smart. I mean, that's how they've been, like when they were young, and they like to dress smartly because most of the families mention that they always have a shave and all that. So yeah, we do our best to make them look smart, and yeah, assist them with their daily needs, and like all those refreshments in between, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. In between the meals, we do like loads of activities. Well, we do gardening together, cooking, take them out shopping. Like I said, it's all about enriching their lives, so that they don't feel like they are stuck here. They should be able to do what they were used to doing before. So yeah, it's just to give them a normal life. Like, it's like family in here. Like, most of the clients here do remember our names. So it's not like a job for us. It's like our second home, where we come here, we do things for them. They make us happy. We make them happy, doing things together. And at the end of the day, leaving work knowing that we made a difference in their life. I think, yeah, that's more rewarding when it comes to our job. Yeah, seeing the smile on their faces makes our day, and knowing that they are well looked after, yeah, kind of makes our day too.